Hello friends, Ace Botane next episode. In this episode, we'll be discussing respiration in plants, fifth part, and mainly deals with the Krebs cycle. And remember, this is for quick reference. So to save time, I wrote some statements and will be explaining. Similarly, detailed note I already published in YouTube. And every day I am putting 2 questions around 12:45, that is afternoon 12:45. One from first year, one from second year. So subscribe Ace Botane, will be getting all this. Okay, we can proceed. NCERT quick reference, respiration plans, part 5. It is Krebs cycle. So I will share the screen so it'll be easy for you also. I think screen came, so we can proceed. Okay, NCERT quick reference, 5 Krebs cycle respiration plans. So citric acid cycle. Otherwise, it is called CA cycle. Otherwise, it is called tricarboxylic acid cycle. So many synonyms. And this TCA cycle or Krebs cycle or CA cycle comes under aerobic respiration. So it comes under aerobic respiration. Okay. So it comes under aerobic respiration. And the name is due to the scientist Hans Krebs. Now, where is the site of a Krebs cycle? It is mitochondrial matrix. That is in normal aerobes. While in aerobic prokaryotes, eukaryote it is mitochondrial matrix. In aerobic prokaryote, it is cytoplasm in connection with the mesosome. That is in aerobic prokaryotes. Eukaryote, it is mitochondrial matrix. I think that idea is clear. And name of the process is due to the scientist or chemicals present in the cycle, like tricarboxylic acids, citric acid, Krebs, TCA cycle this way. And enzymes important, whether here or in glycolysis or link reaction, maybe. Enzymes, all enzymes of a cycle, that is Krebs cycle, are soluble in mitochondrial matrix. But there is an exception, that is why I put 2 asterisks. One, that enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, that is otherwise called SDH, is attached to inner mitochondrial membrane, important. And cycle was first elucidated in, it is first elucidated in flight muscles of birds. And cycle is common pathway for fat, carbohydrate, and proteins. And remember, all these reference made in connection with the NCERT reprint edition, March 2024. I think first page is clear. Now we can proceed to second page. This is a famous cycle. In another form I represented there. Glucose undergo glycolysis producing pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid undergo link reaction. And product is acetyl coenzyme A. So here it starts. Change the color. It will be convenient for you. Okay. So here the acetyl coenzyme A. It is acetyl part is 2 carbon couples with the oxaloacetic acid. You can find here. Enzymes I written there. That is citrate synthase. And we can find H2O will be added. Coenzyme will be there. And we'll be getting citric acid. Coenzyme C here we can find coenzyme. So oxaloacetic acid, acetyl coenzyme A. And coenzyme A will be released from here. And we'll be getting citric acid, 6 carbon. Citric acid will be converted to cis-aconitic acid. Enzymes are written there. To save time, I'm just going through products. Detailed note I already published in YouTube. So cis-aconitic acid, isocitric acid, oxalosuccinic acid. So up to this, it is for 6 carbon. Now, first decarboxylation takes place. So enzyme must be decarboxylase, alpha ketoglutarate acid, which is 5 carbon. So everything I written there, CO2 removed, coenzyme A will be added. And from alpha ketoglutarate acid, enzyme is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex will be getting succinyl coenzyme A. Now, succinyl coenzyme A to succinate or succinic acid, where GDP will be released, substrate level phosphorylation. Succinic acid will be converted into fumaric acid. Fumaric acid will be converted into malic acid. Malic acid will be converted into oxaloacetic acid. Again, become 4 carbon. So carbon range will be 6 carbon, 5 carbon, 4 carbon, 6 carbon to 5 carbon, 5 carbon to 4 carbon. So 2 decarboxylation in a single turn of Krebs cycle. I think idea is clear. Now we can proceed to next page. So when we come to the next page, we can find total summary of link reaction plus Krebs cycle. NCERT only, pyruvic acid, 4NAD plus, FAD plus, 4H2O plus, ADP plus inorganic phosphate, mitochondrial matrix, we'll be getting 3 carbon dioxide, 4NADH plus, 4H plus, then FADH2, then ATP, then H2O. This is how the reaction proceeds. Now, from some few simple problem type items, from a single glucose, we'll be getting 2 turns of Krebs cycle. And in a single turn of Krebs cycle, we'll be getting 3 NADH plus H plus, 1 FADH2, 2 CO2, so 1 GTP. So we can find 4 reducing powers here, 2 decarboxylation, 1 substrate level phosphorylation in a Krebs cycle. So from glucose to pyruvic acid, so 2 Krebs cycle will be taking place. That is regarding a quick reference for Krebs cycle. If you like this episode, subscribe A-Spot10, like it, share it, comment on it. We can continue this series in the next episode. So for time being, we can wind up. Take care. Bye. Thank you.